Hello everyone, I'm Claire. I'm from China and I'm the president of Student Committee of MBA 2022. The first item I'm packing for my suitcase is the fitness clothes because I believe that if you bring exercise to your life, it will give you a happier life, and in this way, it will change the trajectory of CEIBS MBA journey for the better. I believe that being a student in CEIBS is the biggest challenge in my life. The schedule in CEIBS is always intensive. Especially if you are a student leader, you will find out that you have rarely time to sleep. So that's why I heartily recommend it. The 黑芝麻丸 Black Sesame Balls. Eat it every day. Try everything you can do to protect your hair before you lose them. Over to you, Tavi.
Thanks, Claire. Hi, everybody. I'm Tavi from the US, Seattle specifically, and I'm with the MBA 2022 here at the beautiful CEIBS Shanghai campus. So, the first thing I brought with me was my coffee beans in a much larger bag than this because I don't know about you, but I need a lot to keep going. Well, for me, the most important thing was bringing a pair of boxing gloves so I could stay in shape while I'm here. And I would recommend you all try to do the same, especially getting fit beforehand because you won't have a lot of time in term 1 and 2, which are very stressful. So you really want to be at top shape going in. So I would say bring your basketball shorts, bring your soccer cleats, bring whatever you like to use to stay fit and exercise, especially using the gym here and the soccer field, the basketball court. There's all kinds of stuff. So just be ready and you'll have a great time. Hey Maggie, what about you?
Hi, I'm Maggie. I'm from Nanjing and I'm from class MBA 2022. The first item I packed is actually right over here. That's my offer letter because it's a form of recognition that I finally made it here. And also, you actually need it. It's very practical. You actually need it to enter the campus. So don't forget to bring your offer letter. My suggestion would be to bring courage. I think courage is such an important thing as you will challenge yourself with many cases. You will face many challenges and your courage will help you get through it. Hi Priyesh, how about you?
Hi Maggie. Hi, I'm Priyesh. I'm from the UK and I'm part of MBA Batch 2022. So the first item I packed in my suitcase was my cup. So it's a I Love Europe slogan cup, and it's a perfect way to break the ice with your brand new MBA colleagues. So I'd highly recommend a new student to bring a good smartphone with a good camera and lots of storage space to capture all those memories with your new friends. But most importantly, I would say bring an open mind, because you're going to be facing lots of new challenges, exploring new opportunities, and meeting so many new people that it's going to be an important facet.
Good luck packing your CEIBS suitcase.
See you on campus soon.